Hey guys, it's Eric Stegall with eXp Realty here at the Mountain Lakes office in Seneca. Wanted to take a moment and go over the Lake Keowee numbers with you guys. Of course, all of this is already up on the blog, so check out the website. But wanted to focus today on leading indicators as opposed to those lagging indicators that everybody loves, like what's the average price of a sold home versus last year, that kind of thing. I think these leading indicators give us some idea of what maybe we can expect for 2023. So one of the numbers that we're looking at is how many new listings were taken for the month of November. And currently that number is up 11.5% from last November, which is awesome for buyers. But we're also seeing our pending home sales down 39.1%. So why are we seeing those two numbers and what can it possibly mean? One thing I think is happening is if you're a cash buyer in this market, you hate uncertainty. And if we have anything, we have a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. So I think we have a lot of buyers sitting on the sidelines waiting for the spring market to see what's going to happen. I think that cash buyers also, their portfolio might have taken a hit this year with the stock market being so volatile. On the other hand, if you're a buyer that's working with a lender, you really have seen the affordability of the home you thought you could buy versus what you could actually buy today really skyrocket because the Fed's having to raise those interest rates to try to stem inflation. That buyer is also, tired of competing with multiple offers and having to pay cash in order to get a home on the lake. So you have some good news, buyers. If you're still in the market, we're seeing sellers much more willing to negotiate. One of the numbers we look at is what are the list to sold ratios. So to give you an idea, currently the list to sold ratio from the original list price to what they're selling the home for on Lake Keowee is 96.5%. So that's still a strong number for a seller, but it's not over 100% like it was in May of 2022. So there is some negotiation taking place. Of course, you're more likely to be able to get that home inspection that's so important and feel better about the transaction in general. So there's some hope there for buyers. We're seeing, of course, those two numbers, the increase in new listings versus the decrease in pending sales. We're sitting at 4.1% of inventory on the market right now. Now that's considered by definition still a seller's market because we need to get to that 6-month number before it's a balanced market. But just look at the charts that are on the report on the website, and you're seeing our inventory has been trending upward since January 2022. And it's not a straight line, but it's pretty straight for a graph as far as that trend line goes. One number that I like to look at is how many showings does a property currently have to have before you can expect that property to go under contract. Currently, that sits at 13.5 showings before you are a pending contract. That number is up 87.5% from last November. And of course, that just leads you to believe, of course, our days on the market are also up. They sit at 65 days, and that is 85.5% increase in days on the market year over year. So bottom line, if you have any questions about the report, reach out to me. I've been on the lake for over 2 decades, helping families through good and bad markets. So if you're looking to sell or buy a property on Lake Keowee, please reach out. I'm happy to have a real estate conversation. Hope you're having a great day and take care.